You've been told the path to wealth is complicated. But what if the turning point wasn't a job or a degree, but a $100 decision? One course, one fear, one moment, and it quietly unlocked a $291 million fortune. You're about to see why. And once you do, your entire approach to money and confidence might change forever. Imagine this. You're 21. You know the numbers. You know the stock market. You're smart. You're driven. You're obsessed with building wealth. But there's a problem. A silent one. You can't speak in front of people. Your hands shake. Your voice breaks. You avoid meetings. You avoid attention. And deep down, you know this fear is killing your future. That was Warren Buffett. At 21, he had every tool to become wealthy, except the courage to speak. He'd throw up before giving a presentation. He skipped out on opportunities, and he knew, unless he solved this one fear, it didn't matter how smart he was. He'd never be free. But what he did next, what you could do too, turned one of his greatest weaknesses into the most valuable skill of his life. And it didn't require luck, talent, or even money. Just a decision that most people ignore. He found a small course in Omaha. Dale Carnegie's public speaking program. $100. No certificates, no fancy degrees. Just a room full of terrified people. And one brutal promise. You will speak, and you will grow. Buffett didn't buy a stock. He didn't buy real estate. He bought a skill. One that couldn't be taxed, stolen, or lost. And here's what most people miss. He said it was the best investment he ever made. Not Apple, not Coca-Cola, not Berkshire Hathaway. A $100 decision to stop running from fear. Now here's the crazy part. Had he taken that $100 and invested it in the stock market at his usual rate of return, it would be worth $291 million today. But he doesn't regret a single cent. Why? Because what that course gave him was worth more than money. And this is where you come in. You see, most people think investing is about picking the right asset. But Buffett redefined it. He said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Think about it. The confidence to speak leads to leadership. Leadership leads to opportunity. Opportunity leads to leverage. Leverage changes your income forever. If you can't communicate, you can't lead. If you can't lead, your ideas stay in your head. And if your ideas stay in your head, your wealth does too. Buffett understood this early. He faced the fear most people run from for life. And that one course, that $100, made every future deal, every investor meeting, every negotiation possible. So here's the question for you. What fear are you running from that's quietly holding back your entire future? What $100 decision are you ignoring because it feels scary or small or uncertain? Is it learning to speak, starting your first side hustle, signing up for a skill course, asking for mentorship? One decision, one skill, one fear faced. That's all it might take to change your trajectory forever. Warren Buffett didn't get lucky. He chose growth before he ever had money. He invested in the one thing no one could take from him. His mindset, his courage, his ability to connect. And you can do the same. You don't need $1 million to change your life. You need the guts to face what you've been avoiding. Because sometimes, the escape plan isn't about escaping poverty. It's about escaping your own limitations, so wealth can finally catch up to you. If this made you think differently about wealth, hit that like button and subscribe to The Escape Plan, where we turn fear into fuel and everyday decisions into lifelong wealth. Because the real secret, it's never too late to invest in yourself.